you're experiencing high ping in Counter-Strike 2 CS2, it can significantly affect your gameplay. This guide will help you optimize your connection for a better gaming experience. Step 1. Check your internet connection. Ensure that your internet connection is stable and fast enough for online gaming. Use a wired connection instead of Wi-Fi if possible, as it typically offers lower latency. Step 2. Close background applications. Before launching CS2, close any unnecessary applications running in the background. Programs like download, streaming services, or other online games can consume bandwidth and increase ping. Step 3. Optimize game settings. Adjust the in-game settings for better performance. Lower the graphics settings and disable any features that may require additional processing power, which can indirectly affect your ping. Step 4. Change server region. Within CS2, check the server region settings and select a server that is geographically closer to you. This can help reduce the distance data has to travel, lowering your ping. Step 5. Use a VPN. If your ISP is causing high ping due to routing issues, consider using a VPN service. A VPN can sometimes provide a more direct route to the game servers, potentially reducing ping. However, choose a reputable service to avoid additional latency. By following these steps, you can optimize your connection and improve your gaming experience in CS2. Happy gaming!